हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मोनिका ऑल क्लासेस। दोस्तों, टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट डायरी एंट्री। Nowadays, a lot of schools give the topic on diary entry. So, first we will discuss what is diary entry. Some people write their diary on the daily basis. Now, I will tell you what is diary entry. Diary entry is a very good paragraph in which we write our daily routine. Diary writing is a good habit. In it, we jot down the events, observations, experience in a personal manner. A diary can be written daily or at some intervals. Some people write their diary on some intervals in a week or in a month. Some people also mention time and place as well. There's important features of a diary. When you write a diary entry in a school, then you should keep these points in your mind. The date, time, place, etc. should be mentioned. It should be informal. It should be written step by step as per the occurrence of events. The writer's signature should be put at the end of a diary entry. Friends, now I will take 2-3 diary entries. Then we will understand how diary entry should be written. Now first, here we assume you are Sanjeev or Savita. You saw a horrible accident while going to school. You could not share it with any of your friends. Write a diary entry on it. Now we will write on a diary entry on this topic. Now, friends, first we will discuss the time, day, date. Then we will write all these things. First we will take date, 12 December, September, or whatever date you want to write there. Day, after that time, then dear diary. Now we will see what is written here. Today I felt shocked when I saw a rickshaw puller crushed by a lorry. I was going to school by riding my bicycle. Suddenly, a rickshaw puller overtook me. I was about to fall on the road, but somehow I controlled my bicycle. After a few minutes, I saw that a lorry crushed the rickshaw puller. So sad. 2 females were sitting in the rickshaw. I could not utter a single word. All of 3 people died on the spot. It was a horrible scene. Many people gathered there, but did not have the courage to feel their nerves. The driver of the lorry ran away from there. The whole road became red because of their blood. Someone rang the police up. When the policemen came, they spread white sheets on the dead bodies. They inquired about the driver of the lorry, but the police did not get any information about him. I was stunned to see the accident. An old man came to me and asked me to go to school. When I reached the school, I could not forget the scene throughout the day. No more pen today. Sanjeev or Savita. Friends, it was the scene that someone discussed in diary entry. So you can write whatever you want in your diary entry. Now we will see more diary entries. It was very sad diary entry. Now we will see another one. I think my personal view is we should now people make videos on these things, but first of all, we all have humans, so we should help people first, and then after that we should take care of these things. So friends, now we will see another diary entry. A blood donation camp was organized in your school. You were also a part of the program. Write a diary entry on it. You are Rajiv or Ragini. First of all, we will write date, time, day after date, day after time, then a diary entry. Whatever date you want to write here, you can. After that day, after a time, after dear diary. I really did a noble work yesterday. A blood donation camp was organized in the school. in my school, I told my parents about the camp. My father was very happy, but my mother was a little bit hesitant. Her perception was that donating blood would make me weak, but my father discussed with my mother and then she agreed. I went to the donation camp and donated blood. After donating blood, I felt refreshed. I even persuaded some of my close friends to do the same. I did not feel weakness at all. The blood I donated can save the life of someone. I might be of some help to someone in my life. It was really a very good experience for me. Rajiv or Ragini. Friends, in my personal view, it is a very noble work to donate blood. It always helps somebody. So friend, if you can, you should do your blood donation. Now friends, we will see another diary entry on an excursion trip during summer holidays. You are Ritesh or Rakhi. First date, then day, then time. Now we will see what is written here. Dear diary, last week some of my friends and I made a program to visit the Suraj Kund Lake. We started for the destination at 7 am, reached at 11 am. After reaching there, we felt very enthusiastic. Suraj Kund Lake was built by the Rajput king Suraj Pal. Numerous visitors visit here to have a scenic beauty of it. It is considered to be a favorite picnic spot for people of Delhi. It is really very beautiful place surrounded by water and different kinds of birds. I took lunch with my friends. After that we visited the place. It refreshed us. After that we returned to our place. On the way we enjoyed music, magic and Antakshari etc. We all thoroughly enjoyed this trip. Ritesh or Rakhi. Friends, it is a diary entry on a summer trip holidays. Now friends, next diary entry is on recently you attended the marriage function of one of your close relatives. It was really very exciting. Record your experiences of the marriage in your diary. You are a Prem or Premlata. Now first date, then day, the time. After that, dear diary, recently I attended the marriage function of one of my close relatives. My papa and mummy were also with me. We reached at the marriage venue on the same day. All the relatives gave us a warm reception there. The Sangeet program started in the evening. It was a marriage of a girl and the Bharat was coming from a distant place. It reached on time. They were provided the accommodation facility in a hotel. After getting ready, we arrived at the marriage place. We all danced on the tune of the music. Invitees were provided snacks, sweets, cold drinks, coffee, pizza, burger, etc. After that, the ring ceremony function took place. All the guests participated in it. The guests had a sumptuous dinner. After that, the marriage was solemnized. Later on, all invitees left for their destined places. We enjoyed a lot. What a fantastic experience it was. Premlata or Prem. Friends, it was a diary on your experience in the marriage function. Now we will see last and next diary entry. Sometimes winter in Delhi are quite unbearable. Last year the temperature of the city reached at its lowest. It was really very miserable day of the year. Write a diary entry on it. You are Rohit or Reena. Friends, first of all, date, day and time. After that, dear diary, sometimes the temperature of the Delhi is quite unbearable. I experienced such a day in my life last year. On 31st December, it was really a very chilly day. The temperature reached at 1 degree Celsius throughout the day. People remained indoors wrapped in blanket and quilts. I was also taking tea and coffee at regular intervals. The road bore a deserted look. Although it being the last day of the year, nobody could dare to go either to picnic spot or anywhere else. All were shivering in cold. I could not enjoy the last day of the year. It was disappointing too. This day will never lapse from my memory. It was really miserable day of the year. Rohit or Reena. Friends, it was a diary entry. We see all the diary entries. Now you can understand how we will write diary. If you have any problem, you can write in my comment box. Please friends, subscribe this channel. Please like this video or please share this video. And friends, please take care of yourself. Thank you friends. Bye bye.